everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate, and today I am finally getting to this video. About a few weeks ago, I believe the last week of April, I posted a the sixth video, or the 6th week for the ScrapBin collaboration, and towards the end of that video I had a basically, I want to say it's like a flash giveaway. Like, if you mention a certain word, you know, you would be entered to the giveaway. It was only for US only. I couldn't do international, and I did say that towards the end part of that video. So if you are international and you get picked, I do apologize, but I can't send international. It has to be US. So let me go ahead. I have 8 entries. They're all in here, and they're all, I folded them in here and put them in here, and I've been shaking it. So let's go ahead and see who will be my, I guess, surprise winner for this one. So I still have to get this packaged up. I will videotape it after the recipient gets it. I don't want to videotape it before because I still have to put some stuff in there. I'm still working on some stuff in there. So let's go ahead and shake it and see who it is. Oh, that's just why I did it. So one of them has to come out. So let's see. There you go. So this is going to be my winner, and let's see who the winner is. And it is KJ's Kaleidoscope 1229. So there you go. Go ahead and email me your address so I could send this package out, and I will talk to you later. Thank you. So you are my winner for my ScrapBin collaboration. And then I also wanted to do the Pay It Forward that we had going on with over Dina's. Let me put these entries are going somewhere else, just in case that person doesn't get back to me. So I'll just go ahead and put them on the side, and then so I'm gonna go ahead and fold these with you. So for this one, I was gonna pick 2 winners, and it also had to be what is it called? US only, no internationals, because like I said, my postage for international right now, it's a little too high. So let me go ahead and fold these, and like I said, it was 9 entries, and I will be choosing 2, and that is for the stamp set. So let's see how this works out. And for those of you guys, I don't know if you guys are aware, some people are aware, some might not be, but I still have my 1-year YouTube birth anniversary going on. It ends on the 17th of this month, so you still guys have a chance to participate. If you guys want to participate, you know, just email me, or if you want to leave your email down on the description or in the comments below, I can go ahead and email you my address. So you guys still have a chance. So there we go, and there we go. So 9 entries, and then I'm gonna go ahead and shake it. Let me go ahead and show you the stamps again. So what I have, there's stamp number 1 and stamp number 2, and like I said, in the hopes that, you know, this Pay It Forward basically continues on as a domino effect. If it doesn't, that's okay. You know, just want to go ahead and pay it forward. So let's see who our lucky winner is. See, I don't even have to pick out one. It just drops in by itself. So let's go see. Our number 1 winner is, let's see. Oh, Bertha Bliss Wilson. Yay! There you go. That's for the stamp number 1. Congratulations to you. I'm so excited for you. Yay! And then let's go ahead and pick the other one. Oh, I forget I gotta do it this way. Like 3 of them want to come out. There you go. So there you go. And Becky Long, yay, you're my number 2 winner, yay. So Becky, I have your address. I will mail you this. Now I'm gonna tell you, since I am gonna mail it in one of these, I am gonna take this part off. I hope that's okay with you guys, because it's a little too long for this envelope. So just to save on postage, I would fold it, but I hope it's okay if I just cut it down here. Anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch. I will continue to say these names just in case the other recipient doesn't email me or comment down below and let me know that she saw this video. And anyways, we'll see you guys on our next video. And like I said, you guys still have an opportunity to enter my other giveaway. It's just a memory dex card. If that's all you want to send, that's fine. And it's due on the 17th of May, as long as it's postmarked on the 17th. So I'll go ahead and leave the details up on the screen up there above, so you guys could check out. Just click on that link and it will take you directly on there. So you guys have a blessed day. Thank you guys, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.